Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to find a credit card number in a Chase app. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply open the Chase app into your device, and after that just navigate to statements and documents. So if you have the latest version, just swipe to the top and tap on statements and documents. And if you don't see this option, just simply select your card account, then follow the steps to find statement and documents. After that, just simply tap on statements at the top and just simply choose your credit card if you have multiple accounts, and just simply select the latest statement. And from there guys, just wait for the statement to load and zoom in on the account summary section, and from there you will be able to see your 16-digit credit card number. That's simply about it. Now you know how to find your credit card number. And if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya.